Hello, everyone. We're here for the daily safety check.
Safety check just means more waiting. I want to work.
Today's lesson is about safety cones. Cones are like a warning. Be careful.
Cones are just in the way. They slow us down. Cones are very important for traffic safety. They protect everyone.
Stay safe, Bruner. Bruner, don't lift anything too heavy. Patrol, safety. Now we can finally get some REAL work done. Oh, come on. The path I need is right on the other side.
See? It looks fine to me. Just a little sticky. There. Path is clear. Come on, Mickey. I found a super fast shortcut. Ooh, a shortcut. Mickey loves shortcuts. Whoa! Stuck! I can't stop! It's so sticky! Help me!
I can't reach you.
Oh no! The cones! This is all my fault! Jin! Robocar Poli Rescue Team! Help! It's an emergency!
Rescue team, let's roll to the rescue!
I moved the cones. I thought it was a shortcut. He's in deep, Polly! Right in the middle! Jin, I'm scanning the concrete's viscosity.
The concrete is hardening. Viscosity is increasing. Gotcha, Mickey. Hold on tight. Hold on tight.
Oh no! My wheels! I'm sinking too! This isn't just a pulling problem. Roy has no traction. Traction. That's the grip your tires need to push or pull. I know! The site has heavy-duty steel traction pads. Helly, get your harness! Bruner, help Jin!
Perfect! I've got it! Coming in, Roy! Get ready!
Perfect, Helly!
Activating! Stabilizer jacks!
The jacks and pads spread Roy's weight out. Now he has support. Aha! Okay, Mickey, this is it. Mega winch. P-U-L-L.
I'm moving! I'm moving! Teamwork! You're safe, Mickey. But you're gonna need a really big wash.
I'm sorry.
I moved the cones! I thought I was being fast, but I made a mess!
Safety rules aren't there to slow you down. They're there to protect you.
Let's be safe together! Wait! What's everyone? What's that sound? Titan, stop! Stop!
Roy can't hold it forever. The base is broken.
No, Bruner! Stop! Stop! You're making it worse! Pushing it won't work. We need to support it from the outside. We need to build buttresses. Angled supports. Those beams! I can push them into place.
Good! A little to the left. Perfect!
It's in place.
Whew. It's stable. Great job, Bruner.
Titan, we need to get your backup beeper fixed. It's an important safety sound. And Bruner, you learned 2 lessons today.
Another successful rescue.
Mickey, slow down!
Bye-bye. Thanks for saving me.
Whoops!
Don't worry, Mickey. I know exactly how to get you out.
Always check your vehicle's safety sounds, like your horn and beeper. Safety cones are your friends. Never move them. If you see a friend in trouble, call for help right away.
Look and listen for dangers. Ha! See you next time, heroes!
Okay, Mickey, grab on. I'll make a lever. Maybe we should use the winch.
Good idea, Bruner. Thanks, Bruner. Pull. Pull.
Today, we learned about viscosity. That's what makes concrete sticky.
We learned about TR action, and the pads gave Roy support. And we used engineering G to build buttresses. Never play on a construction site. Always obey the safety signs.
Whee! It tickles!
Safety first.
a busy day. I'm glad Mickey is okay.
One small mistake can turn into a big emergency.
Thanks for joining us.
Be safe out there. Do, yeah, that's I don't wait.